Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2025 Volkswagen Caddy? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The 2023 Volkswagen Caddy dashboard features a sleek, Golf-inspired design with touch controls and optional digital displays. Some functions rely heavily on the touchscreen, which may affect usability. The digital instrument cluster offers customizable displays for navigation, driver assistance, and essential vehicle data. The LCD display offers a crisp, customizable view of driving information, enhancing clarity and modern appeal. The gear system offers a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, providing smooth and efficient shifting options. It features efficient climate control with manual and automatic air conditioning options. The steering wheel offers precise control, comfort, and multifunctional buttons. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, central warning lamp, fasten seatbelt, brake system fault, electronic parking brake switched, take over control of the vehicle, engine oil level too low, engine oil pressure too low, fault in engine coolant system, steering fault, fault in the 12-volt power, collision warning, take over steering immediately, gearbox overheated, engine management system fault, intervention by proactive, selective catalytic reduction, high level of fatigue detected, increased risk for traffic. Obstacle detected at the rear, emergency assist performing control intervention. AdBlue level too low, central warning lamp. Fault in airbag, front passenger front airbag switched off. Front passenger front airbag switched on. Emergency call service. Electronic parking brake fault. Check the brake pads. Electronic stability control. Traction control system. Anti-lock brake system. Seatbelt status indicator faulty. Vehicle key not in the vehicle. Fuel tank almost empty. Travel assist not available. Water in the diesel. Vehicle lighting, rear fog light switched on. Rain light sensor fault. Fault in wipers. Washer fluid level too low. Fault in steering. Low tire pressure. Front assist not available. Brake too hot. Front assist switched off. Cruise control system fault. Adaptive cruise control. Fault in electric drive system. Fault in the lane change system. No or limited sensor visibility. Lane assist not available. Exhaust system fault. Diesel engine is getting preheated. Particulate filter. Engine speed limited. Gearbox fault. Fault in anti-roll control. Driving with lane assist. SCR system fault. Depress the brake pedal. Turn signals. 12-volt power supply faulty. Drowsiness monitor fault. Driver attention monitor fault. Advanced road sign display. Speed stored regulation active. Auxiliary heater. Cruise control system switched. Speed limiter switched on. Main beam. Outside temperature colder. Start-stop system active. Start-stop system not available. Service due. Distance warning. Seat is occupied. Motorway exit ahead. Eco driving profile. Comfort mode. Mobile phone battery. Downhill gradient ahead. Roundabout ahead. Left-hand bend ahead. Speed limit ahead. Vehicle ahead. Seat not occupied. Area view trailer support view. Area view rear. Area view rear crossing traffic. Mobile telephone connected. Steering wheel heating. Driver inattentive. Advanced road sign display. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.